down the street, eating rice and meat, when I came across a bird. It had a lot of feathers, red and yellow feathers. It was really fluffy too. I named the bird Fred, 'cause he was really red and yellow. I named the bird Fred, 'cause he was really red and yellow. The bird's name was Fred, until he was dead, which didn't take that long at all. Fred, he was really annoying, so I shot him with my shotgun. He started bleeding all over my floor, so I kicked him out. Fred now had no more head, so I renamed him Fred the Headless Bird. After I kicked him out, I started to feel bad, so I picked him up and put him in my freezer. Fred without the head was now my new best friend, so we spent every day together. Annoying old Fred would always sleep in my bed, so I would have to sleep on the couch. Fred, he was really annoying, so I shot him with my shotgun. He started bleeding all over my floor, so I kicked him out. So I kicked him out.